So batteries are fully charged on an external charger. Take the power cord that came with it from the charger, plug it in, batteries in, try other battery. No reaction. But it does have power. Tried it with multiple different power units also and multiple different cords.